Know all thoughts to be the dharmakāya. If you realize this, it's impossible to keep wandering in samsara. And if you combine this with the excellent intention of bodhicitta, even samsaric activities will become the Dharma. To request oral instructions but fail to practice them is like listening to a folk singer's rambling tunes. The most profound oral instructions are the Buddha's word, yet these days they pile up in basements like so much family junk. It's not that there's no one explaining the Dharma, it's that there's no one listening to the vital meaning with all their heart. What's the use of laying out the Dharma like market wares? I'll practice the Dharma later, they say such a lie. So, whatever it is you're doing, exert yourself in Dharma. There's always enough free time to recite the maṇi. If you keep to your mālā, you'll recite and reap benefit.